The Supply Chain Management Academy at Kirkwood High School is committed to providing students with coursework, projects, and hands-on learning experience to expose students to an ever-changing global market. Students accepted into this academy will have opportunities to build the foundational skills and knowledge needed for a successful future in careers such as product management, distribution, logistics, and transportation. Each of these areas involves the coordination of complex operations among people, supplies, organizations, and/or facilities. Students will learn the basics of planning for and managing the material, information, services, and cash flow within business structures. U.S. News included careers in logistics in their report as one of the top 10 best business jobs in 2022. This ranking was based on a number of factors, including the median salary earned, employment rate, future job prospects, work-life balance, and stress level. The Supply Chain Management Academy will use a problem-based learning instructional model in which principles of supply chain management will be embedded alongside core coursework for the creation of lifelike scenarios related to the career field, to include management of a CMCSS teacher warehouse on Kirkwood's campus through partnership with the CMC Education Foundation. This integration of instruction will help students to develop critical thinking skills through technical applications. Students will have the opportunity to network with professionals in the field, as well as the opportunity to academically prepare for post-secondary success in the field of supply chain management.